Hey everybody, Magic Matt here from Blinky.com, and I'm stuck at home because of the global coronavirus pandemic. And because of this pandemic, it seems like the whole world has gone to sleep. Everything's shut down, people are quarantined in their homes, people have to stay home, people can't work. You know how it is. Who am I? I'm telling you, you know what's going on. Anyway, it's like the whole world has gone to sleep, you know? And, now for the segue, this could be just a simple sleeper. This is my Duncan Butterfly YoYo, one of the original yo-yos. Had one of these in 3rd grade, as I've mentioned before. So you could just do a simple sleeper. That's just the simple sleeper trick. And the Duncan sleeps pretty well, but it doesn't sleep a whole long time because it doesn't have a bearing. It's a fixed axle yo-yo. But I like to use this because this is the original type of yo-yo. And actually, it takes a lot of skill to use these yo-yos compared to all the newfangled yo-yos. So the next one that goes along with this segue of sleep is Sleeping Beauty. So this is called Sleeping Beauty. Can also be done like the UFO. And the cool thing about this trick is it actually winds the yo-yo string. So if the yo-yo string is too loose, which it is right now, then you throw it forehand like this, and when you spin it, it actually spins the yo-yo string and it makes it tighter. And when you throw the yo-yo backhand like this, it loosens the string. And you want a loose string for certain tricks and a tight string for other tricks. And here's even another trick. For this one, I have to point the camera a little bit lower at the ground. Hey there. This one's called Sleeping Beauty's Kiss because it kisses off the ground. Thanks everybody. That's the sleeper, Sleeping Beauty, UFO, Sleeping Beauty's Kiss. And that's it. Those are all the tricks I did. Thanks for watching. Magic Matt, Blinky.com. We'll see you next time.